Marhaba, this is Sama from Kalila, where you learn Arabic the right way through our website and application. To know more about Kalila, visit our website, kalila.com. Now moving on to our topic of the day, where we will continue to talk about the Arabic alphabet and learn a new letter, which is the letter Ghain. Ghain is one of the challenging letters to pronounce in Arabic. The letter Ghain isn't equivalent to any of the English letters. However, in order to pronounce it correctly, the Arabic letter Ghain is pronounced G as the French R. In order to pronounce it properly, try practicing producing the sound G by gargling water in your mouth, and that is exactly how the sound G is pronounced. And last but not least, the letter Ghain only functions as a consonant letter. The letter Ghain has several shapes. Its shape changes depending on where it appears in a word, whether it comes at the beginning of the word initial, middle of the word medial, or ending of the word final. Let's start with the standing alone shape of the letter Ghain. Here you can see how Ghain is written. It looks like an inverted 3 with a dot on top. Before getting to know more shapes of the letter Ghain, please note that there are some Arabic letters that can only be connected from the right side, as shown in the first group, and the rest from both sides, as in the second group. And since we're talking about the letter Ghain, it falls in the second group, which are letters that can be connected from both sides. Watch the video till the end to know why Ghain is connected in some cases and disconnected in others. Now, let's look at its shapes depending on its position in the word. First of all, we start when it comes at the beginning of a word, initial, as in ghazal, which means deer. The Ghain in the initial case looks like a crescent moon, followed by a straight line with a dot on top. Moving on to the second shape of the letter Ghain, which is medial, when it comes in the middle of a word. Here we have two cases. The first case is when it's connected from both sides, as in babagha, which means parrot. Here in the medial case, it is connected from both sides and looks like an upside down triangle preceded and followed by a straight line with a dot on top. The second case is when it's disconnected only from the right side, as in raghwa, which means foam. Ghain here looks like a crescent moon followed by a straight line with a dot on top. The last position of the letter Ghain is final, when it comes at the end of a word. Here we have two cases. The first case at the end while being connected to the previous letters in the word, as in samgh, which means glue. Ghain here looks like an upside down triangle linked to the English letter C with a dot on top. The second case at the end while being disconnected from the previous letters in the word, as in dimagh, which means brain. Again, when the letter Ghain is preceded by a letter from the first group, then it comes disconnected and looks like an inverted 3 with a dot on top. After knowing all the shapes of the letter Ghain, why is it connected in some cases and disconnected in others? We conclude that the letter Ghain can be connected from the right when it's preceded by letters from the second group, as in babagha. Ba falls in the second group and comes disconnected from the right when it's preceded by letters from the first group, as in raghwa. Ra falls in the first group. To wrap it up, let's highlight the main points discussed in this video. The shape of the letter Ghain changes depending on its position in a word. We're going to display a table that summarizes the cases of the letter Ghain, whether it's connected or disconnected. In the initial case, it always comes connected, as in ghazal, when in medial case, connected from both sides, as in babagha, and disconnected from the right, as in raghwa. The final case, connected as in samgh and disconnected as in dimagh. Ghain can be connected as in صمغ ببغاء unless it's preceded by letters from the first group. For that, Ghain comes disconnected as in رغوة دماغ. That was it for the letter Ghain. Differentiating between the shapes of the letter Ghain is essential. We hope this video is helpful. To know more, you can subscribe to Kalila through our website and application and enjoy the 7-day free trial. Salam!